Hey Nash, what should we make?
Our friend Tom Delaney wanted us to make a Reuben Pasta Bake, so let's do that.
All right, let's make a Reuben Pasta Bake. Welcome back to Chaos Kitchen, where we're happy to make your crazy requests. After we made our French onion baked spaghetti, we got a request from our friend Tom Delaney to make a Reuben baked pasta, or Reuben Pasta Bake. So today, that's what we're gonna do. We're making it up as we go along, so come along, and without further ado, let's go. All right, so we take out some pastrami. Preheat your oven to 400. Bear in mind, I am literally making this up as I go because I don't know if this exists. I'm sure someone's done it, but I figure, what do you got in a Reuben? You got pastrami, you got Swiss cheese, you got rye bread, you got the Thousand Island dressing, and then you got sauerkraut, and that's about it. So we're gonna make a baked pasta that incorporates all that. Start off by dicing up some pastrami. And if you had an actual big old thing of pastrami, go for it. I didn't, and I didn't really want to make one, so this is what you're getting. Then we get out our cheese grater. No, I didn't clean my cutting board because they're all going into the same pasta. I'll clean it afterwards. All right, so we grate about a pound of Swiss cheese. If you want to just mix some like mozzarella or something in there, I guess you could, but it's supposed to be Swiss, so we're using Swiss. Then we want to bring a few quarts of water up to a boil. Go ahead and salt that. And then we want to dump in a pound of pasta. And I thought I had a pound of ziti, but then I realized that half of it's gone. So I'm going to mix some ziti and some shells, because why not? It's a pasta bake and it's mine, so I can do whatever I want. But hey, you can use whatever pasta you want. You could do spaghetti and do like a baked spaghetti. You could do rigatoni, penne, rotini. Literally do any pasta you want and it'll probably work. Let me just get this kind of stirred around. And then once we're back up to a boil, we want to cook this 1 minute shy of al dente. So for me, that's 8 minutes. As soon as your time is up, go ahead and kill the heat and we drain our pasta. And in a pan on medium heat, we melt 4 tablespoons of butter. And once our butter's melted, we add a 1/4 cup of flour. We just want to whisk that around until it's incorporated and smooth and the smell of raw flour is gone. So doing the Reuben Pasta Bake, I thought I could be lazy and just use the Thousand Island as the sauce. But again, that sounded kind of lazy and I didn't know how good that would actually be. So we're going to incorporate the Thousand Island, but what we're going to do is make kind of a bechamel, like cream sauce with the Swiss cheese. And I think that'll give us a better product. Then we add in 2 cups of milk, whisk it in slowly so you don't get clumps. Once we got a nice smooth mixture here, a nice smooth bechamel, then we add a little bit of salt, some pepper, and then just to kind of hit that rye bread kind of flavor, I'm gonna add some caraway seeds. That was too many. That was probably too many, but we'll make it work. Then get this all stirred in. Then I'm gonna add about a 1/4 cup of Thousand Island dressing. Whisk all that in. And then we can go ahead and kill the heat. Then we'll stir in our cheese. I'm gonna add a little bit at a time and just stir it in until it melts. Yep, that's ooey-gooey cheesy, just like we want it to be. And then we're gonna add in all the pastrami and some sauerkraut that I drained because I didn't want extra moisture. Get that all combined. So then we take out a casserole dish or an aluminum pan that's already been greased. We dump our pasta in here. And then we pour our sauce over our pasta. And then we just give this a stir, get everything incorporated. Don't mind the background noise. I'm not at my house. Usually all you get is Nash barking or drinking water. Oh, there's Nash drinking water. There's a familiar sound, y'all. This is going to be overly decadent, I believe. I did not see this coming, but I think it's gonna be good. I don't know. I'm just making shit up as I go along here. Then we take the little bit of Swiss that we had saved for the top and we put it on the top. And then I would normally top this with a few more caraway seeds, but since I kind of overdid it in the sauce, I'm not gonna do this. Now we're gonna bake this for about 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes until the cheese on top is melted, maybe a little bit golden brown in parts and probably bubbling up a little bit along the edges. So off we go. And there we have our Reuben Pasta Bake. It actually looks really good, but it's piping hot, so we're gonna let it cool for a minute and we'll be right back to eat it. And there we have our Reuben Pasta Bake. I hope it's what you were looking for, Tom, because we made this one for you. And it's time for a bite. Cheers. See, it was so good I was wearing it. It's really, really good. It's like a super creamy pasta, but you do definitely get all those flavors of a Reuben. So Tom Delaney, I hope this is what you're looking for out of 10. So yeah, if you like Reuben sandwiches and you like creamy pasta, go make this because it was actually pretty easy and it's freaking delicious. That's what I think. But hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, how you doing?
I'm good, man. Ready to hit the ground running this new year, literally, because I love running.
Well, check it out. We made this Reuben Pasta Bake for our friend Tom that you wanted. We made a dog-friendly version just for you. So here you go. What do you think?
Oh, that's fire. It's creamy and ooey-gooey cheesy with all the flavors of the Reuben definitely there. Could use more pastrami, though.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
Sometimes your joy is the source of your smile, but sometimes your smile can be the source of your joy.
Nash approves, I approve. Look, it's like a baked mac and cheese and a Reuben sandwich had a baby. To me, that's fantastic. So if you're into something like that, give this one a shot. And Tom, I hope this makes you happy because we did this for you. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you all. Love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second, go like, share, hype, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, all that good stuff. If there's anything you want me to make, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments. If you like this video, go check out some of our other awesome videos somewhere around here at some point in time. And just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, be good and peace.